going to be showing you how to make an airplane. It's called the Flat Top Flyer. So first you're going to start with folding the paper in half lengthwise. Then you're going to unfold the paper and fold the corners inward so they're on the line. Do the same thing with the other side. Now you're going to take the paper and fold it downward so that you have two tips right here that meet and right here. So right here. Then you're going to take the paper this way, fold the paper a little bit over, make a little spot right there, grab it. Now you're going to try to make it so these edges don't go off the paper like this. So you're going to try to make it like this so that you have the edges and they are still on the airplane. So then you're going to make the crease and make the crease on the other side. Now you're basically done. You just need a couple pieces of tape. You put one piece right here. One piece right here. And last but not least, one piece right here. So now you're basically done with the airplane, and I'm going to show you how it flies. You want to make sure that the tip is straight. Make sure there's no bumps so it's not really fat. Then this is how it flies. And that's the Flat Top Flyer.